off of like 4 hours of sleep. Hello, my pretty angel. Hello. What is that? Oh, my forehead looks ginormous. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Trinity, where I do whatever I want. Today's the beginning of the week, so that's why I'm just a little energized. I'm also a little more energized because it's like I'm filming. I'm usually never this happy when I wake up. I'm also kind of delirious, so do what you will with that information. Alright, I can't stop yawning. Sleep right through that. So it's literally it's the song that wakes me up. That is the most annoying noise in the history of alarm clocks. I hate it. Like, I'd rather just have that beep beep beep, because that freaking song sounded like my freaking washing machine. It sounds like my washing machine. It just throws me off. I don't make my bed. I literally never make up my bed, so that's a lie. But no, do it for the video. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the video. I ain't gonna do it. Wait guys, before this video continues, I just want to show you guys something really quick. So Dossier actually sent me this perfume, and it smells so amazing. As you guys know, like, when it comes to Rihanna, people are just like, oh, like, Rihanna just smells really good. So you know what I did? I was like, what smells like Rihanna? So I actually got this dupe sent to me by Dossier, and it's Woody Rum, and it's Killian Straight to Heaven perfume. So, you know, she uses Killian, so I was like I gotta get at it. And I literally love this so much. I am so sad. I mean, okay, I'm so happy because it's so good, but I'm so sad because I already know I'm gonna use this up quick, so I will be buying one again soon. I love the way it smells. It actually reminds me of my mom a little bit when I put it on. Like, it gives very much grown woman, very much sophistication. Like, I'm so obsessed with this smell. And I was just like walking around and I was like, smell my wrist, smell my wrist, smell this, smell that. And the best thing about this perfume is it actually lasts all day. So like, that's super exciting, because a lot of the times, like, you know, perfumes don't last all day. This perfume lasts all day. Like, after a long day of school, I can still. And I got so many compliments. People are like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? And the best thing about this is the Killian Love perfume is extremely expensive. I think it was around $240. Don't quote me. But Dossier provides quality perfume for a way lower price. Just go into my description box and you will see a custom link with a discount code as well that you can use to get a discount off of your first Dossier order. They also have a range of different perfumes, so maybe if this isn't what you like, they have so many different ones and so many different like smells. I was also leaning towards getting like this vanilla one, and I don't know, it was just like, it was really nice. It's really set, and the packaging is so cute. It's like really minimalistic and cute, and this is a lot. Like, I was just thinking about that. Like, usually, like, you know, people be trying to cheat you, but this is a lot. And I'm, like, super obsessed with the way it smells. This is Woody Rum, by the way. I suggest this one. So, thank you, Dossier, for sending me this perfume, because I smell amazing, honey. It goes left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Oh, let me get the Weather Bureau here. We sent the weather. James, you there? Yeah, this is another James. This is Jim Fiddler in the Weather Bureau. You'd rather be called Jim than Jimmy, isn't that right?
Why I don't make my bed up every morning. It's actually kind of tedious for me to make my bed up. I don't have like a normal type of bed. Like, I have beds, so it's like a little tedious. And I have like too many, like, I have billion pillows for some reason. I don't. Yeah. Leave me alone. Like, I'm always sniffling because I sleep in the basement, and my parents choose to keep it like 0 degrees down. 3, I can't really see, but 3, 2, 1.
And I wonder if you're feeling opportunity to come with me now.
That was a bit.
What you see will stay with me. What you see will always stay with me. What you see will stay with me. Run away with me. Step into the waters. I can show you something. I'm hiding so that no one else can see. Can you keep a secret?
bonnet is so big that I have to kind of tie it up when I get in the shower. But yes, hello guys, good morning, bonjour. Doesn't really make any sense. I just wanted to say that even though I'm sure you guys already know, just so you know, everything that I do today in this video does not happen every day. I will say that I've been consistently doing this though for a week, so let's see how long it lasts. I just have that on and off period, so like some days I will and some days I won't. I actually did have to get up earlier today because a lot of stuff I gotta handle. Big girl business, big girl business. Where's my water bottle? Found it. I feel like I can talk so well off camera. Like when I'm doing my morning routine in the morning, I'm just talking to myself. It's so easy. When I'm on camera, I just like my brain fogs and I have nothing to talk about. Sorry if I'm being extra dry. And I wish I wasn't, I don't know, maybe it's just comfortability. But I believe that I'm pretty comfortable on camera, so I don't understand why my brain doesn't understand that. It's okay, you can talk, like you're comfortable. I'm just putting tea tree oil on my, I have a lot of people get piercing bumps, right? Okay, but of course me, I want it to be different, right? And I get one like inside my nose, but then it's also kind of the way she pierced it, so I kind of understand why it's inside my nose. It's like pissing me off a lot because it gets cold. And my parents, you know, they just had me down here about to catch hypothermia or something. Is it hyper? Pretty sure it's hypothermia. Like it's hypothermia. Hypothermia. Because hyper means a lot. So thermia, thermal. So hypo. Oh no. One of my goals last week was just to wake up early, but I decided to start giving myself 3 goals in a week because my name is Trinity. You guys may be like, that doesn't make sense, but Trinity, triangle, trigonometry, it means 3, so I was like, personalize it, girl. I wanted to keep my room clean because I have a really bad problem with that. I mean, we're moving. I know I've been saying we're moving for the past month. Like y'all are probably like, girl, so I don't have like as much storage in here. I used to have like a big dresser like right here. It's not, no, it was a chest, so it went up. It wasn't big, it was just like up. It's not here. Yeah, so I don't have as much storage, so my room gets messier all the time. But that is no excuse, okay guys? Like that is no excuse for my room to be messy. Like it's me. I am the problem here. I am going to college and I don't want to be the annoying, well, I'm not going to college, but when I do go to college, which is coming up, I don't want to be the annoying roommate who can't clean her room. Like I told my parents, I was like, I want a single, but they're like, the only way I get a single is if I go to a PWI, predominantly white institution. If I don't go to a predominantly white institution, I have to dorm with somebody, and I'm just like, okay, for the experience. Now on college things or dorming or something like that, you can say whether you want like you're a messy or a clean person, so you can get a messy or clean roommate. But what do I look like telling them? What do I look like telling them that I prefer messy roommates? Like, all right, I'm gonna do it right this time, I promise. Goodbye. Guys, I'm wearing my grouchy pajamas. You guys may be like, Trinity, why are you wearing pajamas? Well, I'm wearing pajamas because I'm in SGA at my school, which is Student Government Association. Class president. Whoa, what? They're making us dress as one of the spirit days depending on our grade level. That doesn't make sense. They're making us dress as one of the spirit days depending on our grade level to promote Spirit Day, which I low-key think makes no sense because we go to a uniform school. People are going to dress down. Like, I highly doubt that we're not going to have a lot of student participation, so I don't really know. I think it's just an excuse that somebody else proposed just so we could dress down, but I don't really care for it because we have different spirit days. So to promote Spirit Week, we're dressing, each grade level is dressing depending on their grade. The juniors got PJ day to promote, so we're wearing pajamas to school. But yeah, so I want to kind of make breakfast. I'm really like aching for some cream of wheat. I don't know if you guys like cream wheat. I love cream wheat. I'm also going to keep this scarf on for a little bit because I want my hair to be laid.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas they doing all this and all that. Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Tracy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn babe. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? Telling me Tay is the best. Pointing the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped.
Alright, y'all, so I basically packed. I'm about to just spray my perfume really quick. This is Woody Run, by the way, guys, by Dossier. It's so good. I smell like my mom. Life hack, life hack, life hack. Get this. This smells so good to me. I get this and I literally put it on the inside of my clothes. I just go like this and I like put the deodorant all on the inside of my clothes. Like I know, because it doesn't work for my arms, unfortunately. Like I have to use degree and degree only. But I love the way it smells, so I put it on my clothes and it just smells so good. Like I'm obsessed. That is actually it for my morning routine. This is basically what it consists of, especially this is more of a good day. Like I don't go above and beyond and stuff. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for 730 subscribers. I'm so excited about that, and I have a super fun video coming up, so I'm really excited for that video, and I will see you guys in my next one.